Hello, teacher Martha. Good evening. My name is Juan Pablo, and this is my photo documentary. Okay, the research idea that I'm doing this semester in my project is about perceptions that English language teachers have in normal superior school have about the inclusion of cultural aspects in English teaching, learning processes. The research fields in the licenciatura, my research idea underlies under the first field, the second field, sorry, the study of English language and its context, underlies in the macro project number 1, understanding and characterizing EFL in the licenciatura, experiences and phenomena in the preserved teacher, the educational context, and in the subproject number 3, understanding English teaching and learning context in EFL education. The geographic area. Okay, my research idea underlies in Villavicencio Meta, the normal superior school. It is located in La Florida neighborhood on Carrera 33, number 2110 is Puerto Lopez Road in the city of Villavicencio. What is the context? In this school, the model of action and construction, action y construcción, this school work under this model, pedagogical model, where the main purpose of this education is to develop the reflective thinking, cultivating intellectual curiosity. Also, the context is one of the tools that this school try to improve and develop in these students. Investigation in one of the principles too, within a process of learning and teaching permanently. Also, this population that will be investigated are English teachers, well, high school English teachers, yes, from 6th to 11th grade. They are confirmed by women and men between 30 and 50 years old, and they all have master's degrees that they have already. And they are very committed with the learning and teaching processes inside the classroom. They always plan and design the curriculum. Yes, all the learning guides, the learning path between inside the class, during high school, sorry. Okay, the concern. According to Ministerio de Educación, yes, and the estándares básicos en competencias en lenguas extranjeras, the actual world is characterized by intercultural communication. So this is what they say, this is what they promote. This is one of the justifications of why learn English in Colombia. Yes, why do we have to educate our students in English, in a second language? So the concern about my research idea is how cultural aspects in EFL context are being understood and integrated in the curriculum and in the different processes of English teaching and learning, yes, by these teachers, according to what the standards básicos de competencias en inglés said about cultural formation, yes. So according to Colombia, according to Ley General de Educación, that is a paragraph, as you can read here, yes, that engage students and promote and generate, yes, the cultural education in this country. So that's why important, and that's why I am concerned about this in this school. Okay, so these are some examples of the plan de estudios, yes, the curriculum from 8th grade program, yes, the term 1. So one of the concerns is that they need to explore the incidence of cultural in language teaching and learning. Why? According to this picture, as you can see, the teachers or this curriculum is almost the same and is only focused on grammar explanations, grammar competence, yes, cognitive, linguistic, but the sociolinguistic and the pragmatic are planned, yes, but they are not developed in classes, yes. So in this case, for example, one of the problems that the students and teachers engagement in teaching and learning seems to be so far yes, from the recognition in this curriculum. Another example from this curriculum from ninth grade program, yes, the same. Some school policies are concerned about developing grammar competence, yes, producing text, interpreting information, read down, write down, yes, and only just grammar is what is evaluated from this test, from classes, yes, but in the curriculum set one thing, but in the practice, they do different things. Some of them expressed me that they do that because they have to do what the Ministerio de Educación said or has planned. Yes, so they have to some rules to be guided. So that's why they do that in classes. Another one is that the school is also have a particular interest in preparing students and requiring teachers training to invest a lot of time of the classes, yes, in national examinations, in this case, electives, yes, and also the methodological approaches which barely help students and teachers to explore the role of the culture, yes, in EFL teaching and learning processes. Other spaces, in this case, students and teachers' engagement in links, teaching and learning seem to be far from the recognition of the development of their cultural identity. Yes, this is one of the concerns that I observe. Yes, all the spaces are involved in classes. Yes, inside the classroom is where everything is developed and let aside some of the cultural aspects that are important, yes, to see in these classes too. So in this case, that is because there is no exploration about how teachers perceive the relationship between EFL and culture in the local context, in this case, in this school, and some opportunities that aren't allowed to learn EFL together with culture in teachers training sometimes. And that's all, teacher. So thank you so much.